You think you clicked on this video by choice. You didn't. Your dopamine receptors made that decision 3 seconds before your thumb moved. And that is exactly why you are going to become obsolete in 2026. Not because AI is smarter, but because you are still playing by rules that were deleted from the server 6 months ago. Here is what they don't tell you. The skills you are learning right now, they are traps, designed to keep you busy, not wealthy. Let's strip the illusion. Skill number 1. If you master this, you control the machine. If you don't, you are just its battery. It is not prompt engineering. That is for the workers. The real skill is model psychology. Understanding how the model thinks, not just what it says. Treating the AI like a chaotic employee, not a calculator. Most people ask AI questions. The top 1% manipulate AI behavior. That is the difference between a user and a master. But wait, it gets worse. Because even if you master that, you will hit a wall. A wall named contextual synthesis. Skill number 2. AI can process data. It cannot connect the dots between a history book, a biology paper, and a stock market crash. That is your job. While everyone else is trying to automate work, you need to automate insight. If you are just a funnel for output, you are replaceable. If you are the synthesizer, you are the architect. Ask yourself right now, did you create anything new today? Or did you just rearrange what already existed? Be honest. This brings us to the third skill, the one that makes you dangerous. Emotional architecture. In 2026, logic is free. It costs $0. Empathy, connection, trust, that is the new gold standard. AI can simulate empathy, but humans can smell the simulation. Your ability to build systems that feel human is your leverage. We are halfway through, and if you are still comfortable, you are not listening. Because the next 2 skills, they require you to destroy who you are. We are done with the soft skills. Now we enter the dark zone. Subscribe now if you want to survive part 2. Skill number 4 is black box navigation, acting without knowing the why, trusting the output even when it defies logic. The world is moving too fast for you to understand it. You have to learn to steer the ship in a storm with your eyes closed. Can you let go of the need for certainty? Most people can't. That is why they will freeze while you move forward. But the final skill is the only one that truly matters. It is the master key. I'm going to tell you what it is. But first, you need to understand the cost. We continue in a moment. You are still here. Good. That means you are not afraid of the dark. Because skill number 4 requires you to turn off the lights. Black box navigation means trusting the output even when you cannot see the logic. The machine hallucinates? No, it dreams. The amateur tries to correct the dream. The master learns to lucid dream within it. You stop asking how and start demanding where. But being a passenger is not enough. To survive 2026, you must be the captain, and that requires the master key. Skill number 5, the one that separates the billionaires from the obsolete. Intent architecture. AI gives you what you ask for. It does not know what you want. The gap between your prompt and your true intent is where empires die. Intent architecture is the ability to map human desire into machine execution without losing the soul. It is not coding. It is translation. You are no longer a creator. You are an architect of intelligence. You design the system builds the world. In 2026, the human race splits into 2 species, those who consume the algorithm and those who architect it. Which one are you? Look at the screen. Really look at it. This video is almost over. When it stops, you have 2 choices. You can scroll to the next video, get another dopamine hit, forget everything I just said, go back to sleep. Or you can close this app, sit in silence, and ask yourself, am I the architect or am I the brick? The system is waiting for your answer. Do not let it decide for you. Subscribe to the channel. Become the architect.